Hi there. Imagine being home from work or the office within 5 minutes of being off work. Imagine sitting on your beautiful back deck with a cup of tea and the warmth of the sun on your shoulders. Well, we've got it all right here in the Alta Vista area at 273 Roger Road. I'm excited for you to see this beautiful home. My name is Lana Burnley. I'm a realtor with Solid Rock Realty. Imagine your kids doing their homework in the basement or their own private bedrooms. Imagine your main floor office. Imagine income potential from your basement. Yes, we've got it all right here and everything is ready to go in its place. Come and take a look at this beautiful home with me.